Hey, welcome guys. Danny Wheeler here with you. Today, I just wanted to share with you a very powerful tool when it comes to trading cryptocurrency. I just want to talk about RSI, or Relative Strength Index. I've been using the tool and the strategy for a little over a week now. I'm still pretty new to this part of trading. I just want to show you a couple of my trades. I've probably had a good 15 to 20 positive trades over the last week and a half. And that's pretty awesome considering I'm pretty brand new to trading, especially with the RSI strategy. But I just want to talk a little bit about the platform that I've been using to learn. I've been using ICoinPro. They talk about RSI and many other different training, different trading when it comes to training. But they talk about all about the RSI strategy, what RSI is, how to set up your charts. So that's very beneficial. And for somebody that's brand new, it's been very helpful. They take you step by step through the process and how to set everything up. But the chart that we use is TradingView. I know a lot of the traders use this. It is free to sign up for. They do have a paid option that you can sign up for that has more options. But as far as RSI, it's free to sign up for. All right, so just a quick disclaimer, definitely not an expert trader. I'm just an average person that's showing you some of my results, and I'm not offering you any financial advice. And of course, everyone's gonna have different results when it comes to trading. All right, so here's a couple of my trades. I might have already talked about this, but I have had 15 to 20 good trades. Some of them have been 3.36, 2.92, 2.68, 0.41, 1.14, just a couple of my trades that I've had. That's pretty good profit, so I'm pretty excited about that, and every day I've had more. This is just a couple of my trades that I have. There are open orders that are that I've set up that are ready to be traded. All right, so back to TradingView. Again, ICoinPro, I definitely recommend. They tell you step by step how to set everything up. But we'll just come down here to the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. This purple graph, part of the graph, shows you anywhere between 30 and 70. What you want to look for, anything below 30 is considered oversold. So that coin or Bitcoin or whatever you're trading has been oversold. So anything below 30 or below means it's been oversold, so more than likely you're going to see it go back up. Good example right here, went all the way down to 23, then shot back up. Again, this could be a couple hours, or it could take a day or two to go back up, and sometimes it doesn't go back up. But this is a very good indicator when it goes below 30 that you will have a rise in the coin. Anything when it hits 70 or above is considered overbought, and more than likely, pretty quickly, you will have a drop. So this is a very, very powerful tool when it comes to trading. So when it comes down below 30, you will know that within a couple minutes or a couple hours or days, you will have a rise again. All right, another part of the chart I want to talk about is MACD. That is called Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Definitely another very powerful thing. You'll see everything that corresponds when you have a rise or a drop. So when it comes to MACD, what you want to look for is right here when you have a cross or it goes parallel, but you want to watch out for the blue line. When the blue line crosses over the red, that's a good indication that you will have a rise. Again, once it starts passing underneath the red, it means it's most likely going to drop. So it's another very powerful tool along with the RSI. So anything, again, right here, you see that the blue has crossed over the red and you've had a rise. Again, it corresponds up here as well. You can see with your candles, you've had a pretty good rise. All right, another powerful tool that ICoinPro has released is called Trade Finder. This is extremely helpful, and this is where a lot of my trades have come from. It tells you anything that has gone through a squeeze, a dip, a major dip, squeeze. But anyway, again, with the it tells you that the coin has been oversold. And down here it tells you that the RSI has dropped below 30. So again, you can let me scroll this up for a second. But you can set up for notifications for any time a coin drops below 30, or any notification telling you that there's something going on. There's constant notifications coming in, which is awesome. But again, you can just, what I see is I get notified and I come over here and check Trade Finder, and I see that a coin has dropped below the index. So what I do is I just go back over here to Trade Finder, or excuse me, Trading View. And again, it'll show up somewhere down here probably that's dropped below 30. So I kind of check and see on here, and I use Poloniex to do my trading. So I check between here, and I do a lot of quick trades. I know a lot of people hold on to their trades longer to make a bigger profit, but I usually trade somewhere right in the middle. So I'll come up here and kind of see where the coin is at, and then I'll set my sell price once I buy it, and kind of check what profit it will be. So my profits, excuse me, are usually between 1% and 3%. That's what I go for. And again, if it drops below it, then I go ahead and get back into it again. But I usually go between 1% and 3% profit just to make a quick profit. I do, if it's a coin that, such as Ethereum or other coins, if I know it's a pretty popular coin, sometimes I will set it higher up, knowing that the coin will probably go up higher. But if it's a coin that I don't really know about, then I'll just probably make a quick profit on it and then get on to another coin. But again, I will actually have my link below. This course and the different options that ICoin offers. It's $39.95 a month. I definitely do recommend it. You can definitely make your money back pretty quickly. They do also have the option for referral program, but even if you don't refer anybody, this is an extremely powerful platform, and it tells you step by step how to set everything up. But again, everyone's going to have different results. It does definitely take some time to learn. I recommend not coming in with a lot of money, and just, definitely start small and learn, because you definitely will make some mistakes. But definitely feel a lot more confident with this RSI tool that they've introduced, or that they've gone over and kind of explained. But again, I hope this helps. Something very, very powerful. I'm very excited about it. I'm having some pretty good trades. Excuse me. But again, when it comes to trading, something you'll learn as well. Right now, Bitcoin is at 90.79. It is definitely on the lower end right now. Past couple of days has gone up and down, but it's mostly been low. But one thing you'll learn when trading, or through ICoin as well, is excuse me, when Bitcoin is down, that is when you want to come over here and trade the different altcoins. So it's definitely a good time to trade. When you see that Bitcoin starts surging up quickly, you will want to get be able to sell your altcoins. So what I do is I usually have a decent amount in my Bitcoin or US dollars, so that I can trade that in case Bitcoin drops quickly, and also that I kind of average out to make sure that I don't have too much in my altcoins if I kind of expect that Bitcoin is going to go back up. But anyway, that pretty much wraps everything up. We do have a private Facebook group that we constantly talk about trading and ICoin and all that kind of stuff. And we do frequent trading calls. So I've learned a lot through my sponsor and my different mentors. So we definitely won't leave you in the dark. We are here to help you. I will have my link below for ICoinPro. Definitely recommend getting signed up for that and start learning how to trade. It's very powerful. And obviously I don't think cryptocurrency is going anywhere. I think it's just going to extremely grow quickly. So with that, I will have my links below. And I hope this helps just kind of go over RSI. Again, thanks for checking it out, and I will be here to help you out and look forward to helping you out. All right, thanks again.